What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna replace the radiator. I have a leak. I started 2 weeks ago. I was trying to fix with some additives, and guess what, still didn't fix it. And I say, you know what, better to say safe than sorry. I'm gonna replace it. First by step, you need to disconnect these two sensors here, there, on here. We have another screw there. We're gonna take the fan out, and this time I already disconnect the hose. You can see the color is so mushroom. I'm assuming because I add the additive for preventing and for like a glue was supposed to be. Before was a green. The color was really green because I did change it. I flush it like less than a year ago. And this being said, I disconnect here, right there and back here. It's a crank. You just take it out. And now I'm gonna take these screws out, make more space. I need to take here. We're gonna take all this thing out. We're gonna clean the area and to have more room, and after we can start the job. We removed 14mm bolt what was on top here, and that's it, no more. I just took all this apart. I don't need to disconnect anything. I have access, 2 screws there, and I want to show you guys, when you have the right tools, how easy it is to do the job. This is special for clamps, you know. This way, I'm trying the way. I can show you in a second. You just fix the clamps, just hold it, and you just move it. That's it. When you stop, you just push this. The safety. Done. Now we need to take this hose out. Is another one under, right there. We're gonna go from under. First we want to take this one out to be more accessible to take the fan. Dig that. If it's holding here, I have this kind of tools. Actually that one is not gonna help. I have here, and one of them is gonna do the job. Okay guys, I end up to take the bumper out. It's not necessary, but because I was not very sure how to take the AC radiator, but actually it's, you just need to push these 2 buttons. I didn't know that. I just take it to make more space. I didn't do any research before. Just I want to see how I'm doing by my own, step by step, no rush. I just push these 2 clips in this side too, and is another thing what is holding. You just need to lift up. And now the radiator is free. I just need a little more space here. I want to show you how it's looking. Take the hose from here, and actually is one more in this way, but it's not enough space, and I end up take it out from this side, you know, and I'm gonna take out with all the hose, and after I can put it back. Yeah, with a clean job. There's no any mess around. Look like oil a little, but I'm assuming because under here is oil everywhere, and this is my guess. Yep. Beside that, we're almost done. We're almost, and also guys, I replaced the box. It was preschool, and I want to do a good cleaning because it looks really dirty inside. Why not? I'm doing right now this job, and I have everything ready for change the radiator. Right, we're ready. Here is the old one, and here is the new one. Let's put close onto each other to make sure we're one hose is here. We have this thing. I'm not sure It's really needed. I can see some screws right here. I think I'm gonna take them out. Not sure if I need it. Okay, what is important? This side looking the same, and here looking the same. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to when I take this out, because the old one doesn't have it, and that means we don't need it. And also I took this from the old one. We're gonna put to a new one, and we are ready to install. Okay, we connect the hoses back. We disconnect this one and put it back. The fan is going into place, and you need to screw one there and one here. We connect the sensors, and back hose also connected. It's right there, and almost done. We just need to put this one back, same place, put the bumper, and now it's a good place actually to replace the thermostat. In case you want to do it, is right here. I don't have any issues, and still drive like that. I already have 50-50. I don't need to add any water. I have this connected. Let's take it. I'm ready to go. And this car is gonna take it how much needed.